Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So it's no secret how important SEO is to a modern business, so I just wanted to share with you a couple of the basic mistakes that I see people making a lot with SEO. So number one, I see a lot of people who they hire a web developer to build a nice, beautiful website for them, and they don't bother to register their business with Google My Business. So Google My Business, in case you're not aware, is literally what puts you on the map. So when you do a search for bounce house rentals near me, generally near the top, you will see what we call the local pack, and I'll show you what that means. It's the little snippet that has Google Maps listings in it. So you can see near the top we've got our ads, and then we've got the map pack, the local pack, as they call it. And so if your business is not registered with Google My Business, it ain't going to show up here. That's essential. It's like buying a beautiful brand new car without the keys. So if you're trying to build up your online presence, the first thing you should do is go to google.com/business and register your business with Google My Business. They'll send you a postcard to the physical address that you register just to confirm that your business actually physically lives at that address. You'll send it back, and in a few days you will have your business registered on Google. Now, another one of the most basic mistakes that I see is people, they don't get an SSL certificate for their site. So they'll hire a web developer to build a beautiful website for them, and then they won't secure it. So somebody finds you online, yay, great. And then they go to check out on your website, oh, and guess what? You don't have an SSL certificate, so they get scared and they go away. Or maybe they don't even find you because sometimes Google actually penalizes people in the search rankings if their website doesn't have an SSL certificate. Now, another thing I see a lot of is no meta tags or not very good meta tags. So let's be real here. Does your business have as much name recognition as Amazon or Apple? Probably not. Don't put your business name near the beginning of your HTML titles. Your customers aren't searching for your business. They're searching for bounce house rentals and other things like that that you want your business to come up as, but they're not actually searching for your business's name. So, for example, instead of saying Jumpy Jumps Best Party Rentals in Albuquerque, I would say Bounce House Rentals, Inflatable Water Slide Rentals, etc. I would put those keywords near the beginning of my HTML titles and maybe not even bother with the company name in the HTML title. And the last and definitely not least mistake that I see people making is just not putting enough content on their homepage. There's an old expression, content is king, and it's really true. Information that Google and your customers can obtain about what your company is, where you're located, and what you do is essential. Without that information, Google doesn't know where to rank you, and your customers don't know what you do, so they don't know to rent from you. So content is king. Try to get at least 500 words on your homepage. You don't want them all near the top because that's not a great customer experience to see, a huge wall of text when they first get to your website. But, you can have a little header near the top, an H1 tag that says something to the effect of, best bounce house rentals in the Albuquerque area or, whatever your local service area is. That sort of thing. And that's going to really tell Google what your company does. And then further down on the page, you can have some more information about what your company does. That, again, gives Google and your customers some more information about how to find you and what your company does. One of the most important things that you can do, along with developing some good SEO, is have a website with online booking. It's great when your potential local customers can find you with a Google search. It's even better when they can actually patronize your business once they've found you. You will love the feeling of waking up to money in your pocket, I promise you. So we've created a few videos that talk about how ERS can automate the ordering process and how we support you with your SEO under the hood. And you can watch those videos by clicking on the link in the corner above here. So, hope it helps, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.